Man, it's been like, what, a month and a half, 2 months since I've done one of these. Hope they turn so I can actually, like, you know, do what I want to do on this road. Ooh. I love that sound. I'm not trying to be I'm not trying to be a dick or nothing, but I thought there was somebody in front of us. He's ruining the road for me, man. That's the only thing I hate about warm weather, man. The whole front of my car is gonna be covered in bugs, man. That's like, ugh. Why can't you just leave my windshield alone, man? my God, I can't touch the line. Kind of weird that I kind of like want to just be in one, like just see what it's like to be in one of them. Also, this car's rear fitment is so ass. Like, I look back and see straight hips of the car. Like, I gotta fix this fitment, man, because this fitment is horrid. My Kia was hard, and I missed that car. Maybe I should buy it back just to buy it back. But at the same time, I don't want to buy it back because the guy I sold it to don't want to see it again. Because if I see it again and it looks like shit, then I'm gonna be like kind of mad because it's like, damn. Like, even though like I would care if somebody dogged the car, but like I wanted to sell it to somebody that didn't live where I live, because and then it's like I don't see it. So if it's being dogged, I don't know because I don't see it. So I'm never gonna see it again. So it's fine. But now I could possibly see it, and it could look like it's being dogged out or something. I'm just like, man, bro, I don't really want to see all that, bro, cause man. But I probably won't buy that car back. I'll probably give me a little Focus ST. I don't get it. This car has like random creaks and noises and stuff that it makes, man. It's what I need to do is buy another car. I need to buy me a little Focus, man. A little ST, you know, just because, not because it's needed, but because it's good on gas and it's like kills two birds with one stone. I need a car for work. Give me something cool that I want. You know what I'm saying? That's good on gas, but it's also cool. I just feel like some people don't agree with me, so, which is fine, I guess. Yeah, I guess that's fine though. You ain't gotta agree with what I got. Yeah, I finessed the system. Now that's a tilt right there. Mazda, y'all did y'all shit with that. Now that's a tilt. That's how you tilt the sunroof. Not that shit, man. Like, you can't nobody see it's even tilted. Like, that's the same cop, bro, that got me for tint. Like, I don't know how long ago, bro. He was sitting in the exact same spot, and he literally got me for tint. And now my front windshield is tinted. Nope, actually no. No, it's not. And it's like, I don't even live here. Like, I don't even live in fucking whatever this place is. I forgot what this place is called. But I don't even live in this area. I just passing by. And, hey, I'm stopping here for your tint. You know that's illegal. No, it's not. It's only 35 over 5%. Like, it's not that dark. Anyway, back on the topic of vehicles. I feel like that's my next car. I just want something that's like not, I'm not gonna say not as fast, but I want something that's kind of I'm not gonna say slow, but slower than this is, because this, I mean, okay, I do want something that's kind of slower than this, like, you know, something that's in between the 200, 250, 300 wheel range, you know, but like it stays in that range, you know, nothing no 400, 500 wheel. I just want something that's slow, because I feel like with this, to hear all the good noises, like, I'm gonna be doing triple digits in no time, and it's just like, it's cool. You know, it's cool to just dog anything on the road, you know what I'm saying? But it's like it gets there too quick. So I kind of want something that's fun, and it's a stick. And a stick, I do want, even though I already have that, but at the same time, no. I don't know. I want a WRX, but those scare me, man. Like, I don't trust those at all. I've heard of people blowing the motors, man, like stock motors at stock power. I just don't want to deal with that. Man, I just don't want to deal with that. I've heard of people not blowing their motors at 400, almost 400 wheels, so I just don't want to deal with the maybe this, maybe not. I don't know. Yeah, but I'm gonna see. I'm leaning towards an ST though, because I was gonna get one before I got this, so I don't know. When it wouldn't be for like a few months or so. It would be like October, November though. So yeah. What's not I think about it doesn't really make much sense. Just because it's gonna probably snow again around that time, but I got this in October, so maybe like September then, yeah, October, September, October, maybe November, but by then this should be like good. Maybe I give me a truck, cause like I've been seeing more and more trucks lately, man. And man, nah, I ain't getting no truck. Forget all that. I ain't there yet.
Zine hat, lean hat, codeine hat, keys in your body, your lean and I chop top out.